Hey guys, Mike back with you from MS100. And as I was this with part two of my movie, and as I was talking in the prior section, I was talking about how we are having some congestion here on the SPY between the 200 period and the 50 period simple moving averages. Now, we are resisting here at the 20 currently, but we're using this 200 as support. So for me to go bullish on this market, I would like to see a close on this daily chart above the 20. And for me to really go bearish, I'd actually want to see both of these broken. And that both of these broken would also have to break below this line here around 888, because for me on the downside, there's just too much support there on the downside. If you draw on this line right here, there's just too much support happening to trade the downside right now for me. Just because in my risk assessment, in my trading plan, I personally don't take trades, short trades while, oh man, the phone's ringing. I personally don't take any short trades when there's that much support underneath us. So currently in the market right now, I have a more bullish stance. Although I might not trade to the bullish side all the time, I might take some intraday scalps to the short side. But right now, I feel like we have three areas of good support coming underneath us. So if these support areas can hold, then I will start buying for some swing positions. But right now, with all this congestion, all these support areas in the market, I'm only taking intraday scalps. Now I'm going to bring up the 60-minute chart, and we'll see what's happening right here with this possible bear flag formation. All right, traders, I do have the 60-minute chart up right now, and I'm looking at this possible bear flag formation that we have from the down day on Monday the 15th with the consolidation days the last couple days. Now, to me, this could be a possible bear flag setup. We do have a wedge pattern forming here. If we take the high of the 16th and draw it over to the spots today, notice how we did not break above this line. And notice how we did not break below these touches of the lows here on the 17th. Now, we also can draw another trend line in here, right around here, and you get that sort of up channel that's created. Oops, wrong kind of trend line. And you get this sort of up channel, this flagging pattern here created. So, in order for me to get some analysis on how, and some idea on how the market's going to trade, I'm going to look for a bullish sign, a break above this blue trend line I did draw here, or for a breakdown, I'm going to look for a breakdown below this trend line, watching the moving averages on the daily chart as possible support there. Now, to me, we are setting up on a flagging pattern for consolidation and another move lower, but I'm just going to watch that out, and I'm going to trade pretty cautiously in the next couple days because of options expiration and because of the support areas on the downside. Now I'm going to open up the chart that I took on a trade today of the ERY. Alright traders, this is the ERY 5-minute chart, and today I did take a scalp trade while I had time to get back to my computer today in this security, and these are the reasons why. Maybe this can help you out in your trading, but let me show you. This line was not meant to be drawn in. Alright, so I took this trade right around the 3 o'clock time frame, and the reason why I did take this trade is if you look here, we had the market pulling back to these congestion moving averages here on the 5-minute chart. We got the 20 and the 50 period, but we also did see the stochastics moving back. And right here, I did see the volume start to pick up here, next couple bars. So I did get into this trade on this breakout volume here. Now, although the volume was decreasing here, I did see it increasing, and I was looking for a possible breakup through the trend line. So I took this trade at 662 when we broke this moving averages, and I did hold it right here. The reason why I did hold it right here through this dip is because we had some very, very low volume selling here, and as the volume started to pick up a little bit, I held it into here, and I was just looking for 18 cents out of this trade, and I did get 880 as a sell point here. Although this was a pretty bad trade looking at the volume, looking at the